When my relative was sorting through their attic, they found lots of these teacups and saucers. And of course, when they offered them to me, I knew they could make a perfect DIY. I know it's nearly autumn, but I couldn't resist making these super simple teacup bird feeders. DIYs don't get easier than this. I started by picking out 2 teacups and saucers to make 2 feeders. Give them a clean and prepare a strong glue. I used a resin glue for a strong hold and something that birds wouldn't be able to pick at once it was fully cured. Position the teacup on the saucer roughly where you'd like it to sit, and make note of where the teacup is touching the saucer. Add your glue to these areas. And position back onto the saucer. Using other items from around the house to hold everything in place while the glue dries. The glue I used dries in a few minutes, but I made sure to leave lots of time so it was fully set. Sometime later I tested the hold of the glue, and this wasn't going anywhere. I could put quite a bit of force onto the set, so I know even the heaviest pigeon wasn't causing this to fall apart. The last step is to attach a string that will hold the feeder in place. Depending on how you position your teacup, you may be able to hang the string from the cup handle and have it lie flat. But because my cup was at one side, my feeder wouldn't lie flat this way, so instead I needed to make a little string frame. I tested the strength of the string, and even one piece could take some force, but I doubled up anyway for good measure. Measure out 8 pieces of string, the same length. Then at one end tie a knot to hold all 8 pieces together. Section this out to 4 sections, so 2 strings in each section. Using the same glue as before, add a good amount to the bottom of the saucer. Add the centre of the knot we made earlier, making sure your 4 sections are spread out evenly across the saucer. I then added a little more glue to hold the sections where I wanted them to be, spaced out around the feeder. I let this dry for a full day to make sure everything was fully cured. Then I added a simple loop to the other end of the strings, making sure the feeder was lying flat as I added the loop. And that's it. Place your new bird feeder anywhere you like. Add in some birdseed and wait for the birds to enjoy their lunch. I placed both my teacups around the garden and tried to watch for birds using it, but had no luck getting them on camera. But I hope the birds will enjoy them soon. I have plenty more teacups and saucers left, so let me know in the comments what you think I should DIY with them next. As always, thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this super simple DIY, and subscribe for lots more to come. Happy bird watching!